back to my YouTube channel with the new video. Yeah, today I will teach you how to flare and how to do the sequence with the 3 bottles show flare. By the way, follow my Instagram page. There I posted yesterday a really great tutorial with the finger rolling and how to rolling the bottles in your hands. Yeah, really great stuff. And also follow my TikTok account, there I post a really funny video. So guys, the sequence look like this. Let's break it down. Look, the 3 bottles and the first start position. I'm just holding the bottles, 2 bottles in my right hand like this. So both bottles I'm holding by reverse grip, yeah. And look, thumb, index and middle finger, yeah. So I'm just holding like this. And this one I'm holding by the straight grip. And we're starting just with the simple basic move. All you need for this move to know just how to throw in bottle with the left hand with 1 spin and over the shoulder with 2 spins. So, and all together I'm just show you first and then I will break it down. 1, 2, 3. What I'm doing here, I'm just throwing first this bottle that I'm holding between middle and index finger with 1 spin to the left hand. And from the left, I'm throwing with 1 spin to the right, so like this. 1, 2, yeah? And right after, guys, when I'm just throw this one, then I'm throw from the left, and my right hand throw with the 2 spin over the shoulder. Look. 1, 2, 3, yeah? So, and all you need at the end, just catch it like this. So this bottle I'm throw over the shoulder, flying, and I'm catch it like this to the reverse grip, yeah. And right after, don't stop like this, make it flow like this. So guys, when we catch here, we're doing just look, to make it flow. We're doing this move, 1, 2, and turning our body to the right side. So once again from the beginning, watching to this way, to this side, and stay in this position. Watching this, yeah. 1, 2, 3. Then look, I'm a bit of turning in this position my body. Do the 1 throw under my right hand and catch also to do straight grip. And right after, look, and this hand just make the swing like this. And right after, guys, we did this move. We're turning our body to this side and starting to throw. Throwing also, it's like 1, 2, 3. It's like normal juggling, but look, I must catch the bottle to the right hand to the reverse grip like this. Trying to catch it first. 1, 2, catch. And the third bottle you need to catch now. And the third bottle you must catch also to the reverse grip between index and middle finger. Just try to catch it from the hand, from the other hand, just throw with 1 spin and catch. Let's practice this move. So, once again, all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last move, guys, the harder one. So, I'm also doing like a normal juggling, just changing the bottles from right to left, from left to right. And at the end, guys, I do the invert basic finger roll. So roll the top, yeah? This one. In this way, I'm just turning the bottle, and then I'm making the slide and catching to the stop. Try to do it just separate. Just do this one, slide to the stop, and just do it with the flow. Yeah. Practice just separate. And then, guys, doing like all together. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah? So, all together we already know. We're staying absolutely in the same position. In this sequence, I don't teach you to make it with the feet something, to make some steps, yeah, some rotation with the body. No, just stay in the same position, but feeling the moves and go with the flow. Just turn the body right, left. So we must turn the body in the beginning from to the left side. We're doing this move. Then here we're doing this swing and throw, and then turning the body in this side, doing move here, catching here, and then again when we finish this move, we're turning the body to the left side and catching to the stop. Yeah? So I hope you enjoyed this move. I hope you liked this move. And do it, make some upgrades. Also follow my Fingerroll 2 Pro Edition online course. This is the really new course, and I put all my best tricks there, and I can teach you from every place in the world. All you need just internet and smartphone. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching me, thank you for following me, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.